Good afternoon guys, welcome to my channel and welcome back to one of my favourite train stations in all of Europe, Budapest, Keleti. So on today's adventure we'll be taking the sleeper train from here in Budapest, Keleti to Brasov, Transylvania, and I can't wait for this one, it's going to be cool. So our train leaves here at 17:40 and arrives in Brasov, Transylvania at 9:15 a.m. So a lovely little sleeper train experience through the wilds of Transylvania. Let's go. Alright, let's see if there's any news in our train. So looking for the 17:40 to Brasov, IC 407. Yep, it's there and it's platform 2. Now what's the odds that platform 2 is all the way down the bottom? But it is. There's platform 2. Alright, here's our information. 17:40 IC 407 into city Corona. I guess there she is already. So we're looking for coach 436, seat 22. Here we are, 436. Seats 11 to 36, so I should be in here. Okay, so we're in 35 minutes before takeoff, as it were. But right now there's no power, I guess, until the train gets going. So when we do have power, when we start moving, I'll show you around the room and then we can explore the rest of the train. So I thought while we're waiting, I'll do a quick toilet check. Got a sink, hand sanitizer, toilet roll aplenty, hand towels, clean pedal toilet, even soap. Already beats Mongolian trains. Alright guys, let me show you the room. Now that we're moving, there's my beautiful single bed, little hanging basket there. We've got storage space up top and over there. Multiple hangers. The door can be locked from the inside. Got a little peephole there. What else? We've got a radiator down here with temperature adjustments. We've got a little cabinet here. Let's move my bag. So that comes with chocolate cake, some nuts, what looks like an apple flavoured drink. We've got 2 USB ports and 1 plug socket. So this is the only charging point in the room, I think. Mirror, so if you're going to charge your gadgets, you need to, I guess, lay them in here. They've given us, oh, excuse the noise, soap, wet wipes, towel, bottle of water, looks like. And this is the fold away sink, so you can wash your face in the morning, brush your teeth, without having to use the toilets facilities. So that's nice, isn't it? Put these back. Now I've just been given a breakfast voucher by the conductor, and he also asked me what I'd like to drink from the bar. So I think he's going to bring me a beer to my room, to my little coupe. So that's nice. So far so good. Good service. Oh, we've got a little waste paper basket down here as well. So, here we are, settled in for the night, and I'll take you to check out the restaurant in a bit, but I'm going to have my beer first in my room. The window opens, which is good for filming. It's my beer. Thank you. Okay, Soproni. Speak of the devil there. 5%. What was that for a thumbnail? Yeah, I'm impressed so far with this service. It's cool. So as you can see, really friendly conductor. There we go. Cheers. This is the life. Tell you what, this is a good train. It already beats the sleeper train from Bucharest to Chisinau, and yeah, easily beats all the trains I took in Mongolia. No, no offense, Mongolians. You know I love you. By the way, apologies for my eyes, they're ruined. I've had really bad hay fever since I got to Budapest. So my eyes yesterday were all puffy, bloodshot, trouble breathing last night in bed. Terrible, terrible hay fever. Hopefully I'll start recovering now that I'm leaving Budapest. Maybe this will help. Alright guys, it's 6:38. The complimentary beer has been finished. So I think it's time to check out the dining car. Let's do it. See if we can find this restaurant. Ooh, round window. Okay, here we are. Alright, let's have a look at the menu here. Paprika sirke. That's quite nice, chicken paprika. Alright, I think I'm going to go for that. Chicken paprika. Done. So the price is 4,560 forints, or 12 euros, or 61.6 Romanian lei. So I've ordered chicken paprika, which is 4,560 forints, and half a litre of Staropramen, which is 1,140 forints. Give me a total of 5,700 forints. So I asked if I could pay in Romanian lei, since I'd already converted a lot of my Revolut into Romanian lei for tomorrow, but no, has to be paid in Hungarian forints. Luckily I've got Revolut, so I can do a quick transfer easily. There we are. So as you can see, we've got the dining car all to ourselves. It's 5 to 7, more or less. Kissing them. Right, so here it is. Just arrived. My chicken paprikas. There's the chicken. Bit of sour cream, I think. Yep. Bit of smetana. Okay, so while this is not the best Hungarian food I've ever had, by any means, it is certainly respectable for a in-train meal. Definitely. Quite enjoyed it. And I've just noticed, if you look around the dining cart, there's USB ports everywhere for charging, which is very handy. Alright, let's get the beer back to the room. Excuse me, what time is breakfast? 6 till 7? 6, 7. Yeah. That is Hungarian time or Romanian time? Romanian time, okay. Alright, so apparently breakfast is 6 till 7 Romanian time, according to the conductor. Which means I'm not going to get much sleep, because Romania's an hour ahead. Which makes it 5 till 6 on my current body clock. Yeah, that's right, isn't it? So, best be going to have this beer and get to bed pretty early. It's still only 7:30, so we've got a bit of time. Alright, shoes and socks are off, and the chocolate roll is out. Hey, still got a bit of beer left as well. I thought it was going to be like a cake, but no, it's like a biscuit with soft chocolate on the inside, like a wafer with a biscuit. A wafer with a biscuit, a wafer with kind of chocolate mousse inside. You see that? Cheers. Okay, so we switched to romantic lighting now. Just to let you know, you can adjust the lighting in this little cabin. Oh, we're just pulling up to a new station. Where's this? Carriage. There you go. What time is it now? 7:45. Yeah, nothing eventful going to happen, I don't think. Next few hours, but I'll keep you posted if something does happen. Okay, here's a pro tip for you. This pillow is about 2 centimeters thick. So what you need to do is take this seat cushion, which is hard, which was up there, and put it under your pillow. Bob's your uncle. So I can already see sleep's going to be a real challenge on this train. I'm getting shaken about like a cocktail here. Yeah. Pretty noisy as well. Where are we now? Can't see any signs. Okay, Google Maps. Oh, scary lighting. Google Maps is telling me we're at somewhere called Debrecen. Where is Debrecen? It's still in Hungary. You can see that. Pretty close to the Romanian border though. Anyway, so there we are. Debrecen. What's going on here at Debrecen? Some kind of inspection? Right, let's go for breakfast. Right, breakfast time. Oh. Okay, so this is where we are. That's us, and that's Brasov there. Right, so first part of breakfast has arrived. Got my little cappuccino or latte, whatever it is, and orange juice. Little trains wobbling all over the place. Whoa. God damn, coffee everywhere. Georgiani. Right, here's the breakfast. Got 3 fried eggs, tomatoes, cucumber, but I ordered bacon. I asked, where's my bacon? Apparently, here it is. Not easy to see. Bacon, lol. Anyway, I'm sure it's nice. Salt and pepper. Not a bad little breakfast view. For a second coffee. Really suffering from this hay fever. Had trouble breathing last night. Feel sorry for the people next door because I was wheezing like an accordion. My eyes are still all red and everything. But enough about me. Alright guys, it's 7:48 a.m. as we approach Brasov. Well, about an hour and a bit away, I guess. So I think it's time for some conclusions about this little train ride from Bucharest to Brasov, Transylvania. The room itself, pretty cool. Only gripe I've got is that this window kept falling open during the night, and I'd wake up thinking, oh, it's a bit chilly in here, and see there's a big gap, big foot gap where the window's open. But apart from that, apart from all the wobbles, apart from all the noise that you'd expect in a train like this, I actually did manage to sleep. I'd say I spent about 50% of the time asleep, 50% awake, which for me was not bad, especially considering my hay fever struggles at the moment and breathing problems and stuff like that. But anyway, I don't like talking about that, do I? Breakfast was great. Service is lovely and friendly. Limited English, but lovely and friendly nonetheless. So, would I recommend this journey? Definitely yes. It's a definite yes from me. So, I'll put the price down below. But yeah, I would do this particular journey again, because why would you? But yeah, I do want to like it again, that's for sure. And yeah, while we're in Transylvania, we'll be doing a couple more shorter trips, not sleeper trains, and exploring 3 towns, including Brasov. So yeah, can't wait, really excited about this. So just like that, here we are in Brasov, Transylvania. So before we end this video and start the next video, which will be exploring the city and everything it has to offer, let's check out the train station. Apparently it's pretty grand inside. Okay, nice big mural on the wall. Not quite as impressive as I thought it might be. It's okay though. Right, let the adventure begin. Brasov, Transylvania. Here we come.